Are you ready to level up your golf game, but not sure where to start? Choosing the right clubs can feel like a maze, especially for beginners. But here's a little secret: the right set of clubs can drastically improve your game and make learning feel like a breeze. So, how do you pick the best clubs for your needs without breaking the bank? Let's break it down and explore the top golf club sets that can boost your confidence from the first swing. Number 5. Wilson Men's Profile SGI. The Wilson Men's Profile SGI Complete Golf Club Package Set is an excellent entry-level option tailored for beginners and seniors seeking a forgiving, well-rounded, and affordable set. It includes a 460 cubic centimeters driver with Super Game Improvement (SGI) technology, fairway wood, hybrid, cavity back irons, 6 to 9, pitching and sand wedges, a heel/toe weighted putter, and a lightweight stand or cart bag. The SGI design enhances forgiveness and distance, especially on off-center hits, while the low center of gravity in the irons promotes higher launch and improved accuracy, ideal for players developing their swing. The set's build quality is commendable, featuring 431 stainless steel irons and graphite shafts for the woods, offering durability and performance. The included bag is functional, with ample storage and comfortable straps, though some users note it may lack the premium feel of higher-end options. In real-life scenarios, the set performs reliably, providing confidence to new golfers through its forgiving nature and ease of use. Compared to the Callaway Strata set, the Wilson Profile SGI offers better long-game performance and customization options, such as different lengths and flexes, making it more adaptable to individual needs. However, the Strata may have an edge in short-game precision. Number 4. Precise M5 Men's. The Precise M5 Men's Complete Golf Clubs Package Set is an ideal choice for beginners and intermediate golfers, particularly those between 6 feet 1 inch and 6 feet 4 inches, seeking an affordable, user-friendly, and performance-oriented set. This comprehensive package includes a 460 cubic centimeters titanium driver, stainless steel No. 3 fairway wood, 21 degrees hybrid, 5 PW irons, a mallet-style putter, a deluxe stand bag, and 3 head covers. The oversized club heads and offset design enhance forgiveness and ease of launch, making it easier for players to achieve higher trajectories and straighter shots. The driver stands out for its impressive distance and forgiveness, thanks to its large sweet spot and lightweight design. The stainless steel irons offer a solid feel and consistent performance, while the hybrid provides versatility in various on-course situations. The mallet putter, equipped with clear alignment aids in improving accuracy on the greens. The included stand bag is both functional and stylish, featuring multiple pockets and a dual strap system for comfortable carrying. However, some users have reported durability concerns, particularly with the driver head becoming loose over time. Additionally, the set lacks a sand wedge, which may limit short-game options. Number 3. Callaway Golf Men's Strata Complete Set. The Callaway Strata 12-piece men's complete golf set is a highly regarded option for beginners and casual golfers, offering a comprehensive selection of clubs designed for ease of use and performance. The set includes a 460 cubic centimeters forged titanium driver, a 3 wood, a 5 hybrid, stainless steel irons ranging from 6 to 9, a pitching wedge, a mallet putter, a lightweight stand bag, and 2 head covers. The driver features a large sweet spot and graphite shaft, promoting distance and forgiveness off the tee. The fairway wood and hybrid are designed with forgiveness and versatility in mind, aiding in achieving long, high-flying shots. The cavity back irons offer a combination of forgiveness and control, making them suitable for players developing their swing. The mallet putter includes alignment aids to assist with accuracy on the greens. The stand bag is lightweight and durable, featuring multiple pockets and a comfortable backpack strap system. In real-life scenarios, users have praised the set for its value, ease of use, and performance, particularly for those new to the game. However, some users have noted the absence of a sand wedge, which may limit short-game options. Number 2. Confidence Golf Junior Golf Clubs. The Confidence Golf Junior Golf Clubs set for kids aged 4 to 7, up to 4 feet 6 inches tall, is an excellent entry-level package designed to introduce young children to the game of golf. This set includes a 15 degrees oversized driver, 36-inch, No. 7 and No. 9 cavity back irons, 30 and 29, a mallet-style putter, 28, a lightweight stand bag, and a head cover. Each club features junior flex graphite shafts, promoting ease of swing and forgiveness, ideal for beginners developing their skills. The oversized driver and cavity back irons are designed to help young players achieve higher launch and improved accuracy, while the mallet putter's alignment aid assists with better aim on the greens. The stand bag is both functional and stylish, featuring auto pop-out legs, dual shoulder straps, a four-way divider top for exterior pockets, and a rain hood. In real-life scenarios, users have praised the set for its quality and suitability for young beginners. One reviewer noted, "Great little set for little ones wanting to start golf. Bag is light and durable. Worth the money." However, some users have mentioned that the clubs may be slightly long for shorter children within the age range, suggesting that the set is best suited for kids closer to 4 feet 6 inches in height. Number 1. Wilson Platinum. The Wilson Men's Profile Platinum Complete Golf Club Package Set is a thoughtfully engineered, mid-tier offering aimed at beginners and intermediate golfers seeking a forgiving, high-quality, and ready-to-play solution. This 10-piece set includes a 460 cubic centimeters titanium driver with a sleek black PVD anti-glare finish, a 5-wood, 5-hybrid, 6 to 9 irons, a pitching wedge, a sand wedge, and a heel/toe putter, all housed in a lightweight stand bag with ample storage and ergonomic straps. The clubs are designed with a low center of gravity and perimeter weighting to promote higher launch angles and increased forgiveness on off-center hits. The graphite shafts on the woods and hybrid contribute to faster swing speeds, while the steel shafts on the irons offer stability and control. Real-world users appreciate the set's performance, noting that the clubs provide a comfortable feel and consistent ball flight, aiding in building confidence on the course. However, some users have reported durability concerns, particularly with the driver head becoming loose over time. Compared to competitors like the Callaway Strata Set, the Wilson Profile Platinum offers a more comprehensive selection of clubs, including a sand wedge, and customization options for different lengths and flexes, making it more adaptable to individual needs. Choosing the right golf clubs as a beginner can make all the difference in how quickly you improve and how much you enjoy the game. The best beginner golf clubs offer a balance of forgiveness, distance, and affordability, helping you build confidence with every swing. Whether you opt for a complete set or piece together your own, focus on clubs designed with larger sweet spots, lightweight materials, and user-friendly features. As your skills grow, your clubs can evolve with you, but starting with the right gear will set a strong foundation for your golf journey. Happy golfing!